So I went down to the Re-Cyclery here in San Rafael, and I got some new carbon parts for the mod that I'm going to do on the bike, the handlebars, the stem. So I got some new bar plugs, just plastic ones, but then I got some carbon spacers, and I was wondering, some of them look a little bit old. I don't know if you can see that. A little bit old and funky. Let's see if it'll focus on there. So I was thinking maybe I could polish off the screen printing and get rid of some of the scratches and stuff in there. Some little scratches. So let's see if I can see those. There's a scratch. See it right there. So we'll see if we can get rid of that. Alright, let's start by cleaning the bench here. Nice. There. Good as used. Alright. Then I got some cheap polishing media buffing pad on an Arbor. I don't know. Got this at Harbor Freight. I think it cost maybe like $4 or something like that. So let's see what happens here. See if we can get rid of some of this silk screening and whatnot. There's a little bit of that. Silk screening comes right off. See that? Scratch is pretty deep. Only have to take some sandpaper to it first if I really want to get it out of there. But the rest of it polishes up real nice. You can see it's pretty. This part. So maybe if I hold it like this. I think I have some 1000 grit. Alright, so I have 600 grit. And definitely don't want to do this dry, so I'll put some dry flow on there. See what this does to it. Oh, I think that scratch is gone. This might polish it better than the polishing compound. Let's see here. Now, definitely dull, so the oil, but it is getting rid of the scratch. And it's already getting shiny. Easy. Yeah. A little more over here. There it is. That carbon part looks almost brand new. Get rid of all this and clean that up later. But there you go. Shiny new.